Shankar Rash with another episode of Fridaypoems uploaded by viewmaster. We have had 5 poets reading for us till now: Rash, Nabina, Das, Mallika Bhaumik, Linda Ashok, and Inda Vidyasuthi. This week we are bringing 2 poems by the same poet. The poet is Sufia Khatoon. She is based in Kolkata, and she has a, an MA in English literature, a PG in journalism and mass communication, and a diploma in visual arts and design. She is a PR, media, and event curator by profession. She is a multilingual performance poet, artist, literary translator, and facilitator. Her poems have appeared in many national and international journals, and she has been part of many important anthologies which were published this year, the Yearbook of Indian Poetry in English 2021, Kolkata Cadence Anthology 21, Shape of a Poem Anthology 21, Poetry of Dissent Anthology 21, and North Indian Language Anthology by Sahitya Academy. Uh, he has curated as co-founder of Rhythm Divine Poets Kolkata chapters of the global events like 100,000 poems for change. Uh, so she is reading 2 poems today, Lingering Thirst and Distilled Footprints on the Guards. So on to Sufia Khatoon for her first poem, Lingering Thirst. After that, she will read the poem, Distilled Footprints on the Guards. Thank you.
Lingering thirst. Roll out the thirst. Let me find the oasis first. Hold it a bit longer and linger on in my words. I have a cave inside my soul, uninhabited, forlorn and opaque, tired of wanting, tired of walking. The aurora of my sightings finds it hard to walk further. The sun is harsh and the moonbeam far away from my reach. Drowsy, drying, dying, my eyes are on the horizon, but I am nudging it to move through prisons unless something will find the dried up body under the parizat tree. It is also waiting for the cold hail and some narrative of water. So, for me, water is a really a surface or something, as translucent as the air around me. Water, to me, water is very soulful, very transcendental, very soulful, and very mystical. I connect with water. I feel at times like I'm a water child, so I connect with water very strongly. Whenever I've looked at water, I've felt such beautiful calmness within me that I was not worried or bothered by anything in this world. And to have that is a beautiful feeling. It doesn't come to you often, but when it does, it really is a healing. So this was based on that. So the second poem is Distilled Footprints on the Ghats. So we live in Calcutta, and the Hooghly River is there, and I really like going sometimes to the ghats to just look at the boatmen and the boats and the flickering lights and the azure sky. And as you know, during the lockdown, we saw some of the brilliant sunsets ever in our lives. It was not expected, but that's what the world gave us. And during one such sunset, I was there and I captured the feel of the place. And so it's travel poem based on that. Distilled footprints on the ghats, over the bridge of the sainted new moon. I walk on the train tracks to overbearing spaces. It is the evening of searching silence, beyond and beneath my breath. Kazim sells a bunch of white roses near the traffic lights of Prinsep Ghat. He insists I shelter them before they fall. I hold them together, find white eases, sunken reins. Its snowy petals fell on the pavement, where his smile touched my temple, and I felt the waves of ashen Hooghly River merging with the mellow lights of the boatmen returning to the ghats. Too, when boatmen left their distal footprints on the mud washed stairs, lighting had marked the bosom of Hooghly. Mirror in the Prussian sky paved the brisk walk in the bubbled space of my heart. The crumbling shadows of the passengers, maybe lovers, on the stoic fading walls tell me about the Magi looking for the moonbeam to capture for his beloved. Everything is alive on the ghats, speaking in echoes of the whole eyes, far where water meets writing, waiting. I find a prayer of love, neatly written on the footprints of the cityscape.